Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new poem. Its name is If. Okay. So first I'll read the poem, so then I'll explain it. Giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong, and charitable. You must not be hesitant. So the poem If is written by an unknown poet. Okay. So here name of the poet is not given in this poem. The poet used the word if in the poem to emphasize that every living being in this world is connected with one another. Okay. So in this poem, so he have used the word if because so it emphasizes that every living being in this world, so they are connected to each other. So our lifetime on this earth is very limited, right? So we have to use our God's given gift of life to make this world a better place. How can we make this world a better place? That is what the poet seems to be telling us in the lines of this poem, If. Okay. So in this poem, If, so he tells us that how we can make this world a better place. So now I'll read the poem. If you have a kind word to say it now. So here, poet tells us that if we have a kind word to say, then we have to say it at the very moment, that is now. Okay. So if you have something to give it now. So here, so poet says, if we have something to give to others, then now is the best time to give. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. So here, if we can make someone glad or less sad, the poet is urging us to do it now, at the very moment. If there is a good news to give it now. Similarly, so if there is any good news to give, we should not waste our time to tell it to others. We should immediately tell it to others. Okay. So if there is any good news to tell to others, immediately we should tell it. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. Explanation. If we have the opportunity to cultivate a friendship with others, then we should not lose time, but immediately we should rise to the occasion and offer our friendship and trustworthiness. If there is a courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. So poet says, it requires one to have courage to sacrifice anything he has to do for others. So the poet says that if we have the courage to give or to ease somebody's pain or to please others so that we can make them happy, so we should do it immediately. Okay. Now, before it is too late, now's the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. Anon. At the end of the poem, the poet repeats what he has said in the poem to emphasize his idea. He tells us to do good deeds and help the others in need before it is too late. Okay, so he told us to do good deeds before it is too late. He says not to wait for tomorrow to do any good deeds. It should be done immediately. So we should not wait for tomorrow to do any good deeds. So that should be done immediately as soon as possible. Okay. Immediately means That is, it should be done now itself. So we should not wait for tomorrow. We should do our good deeds now itself. Okay.